Hi. You can foster innovation, increase agility, and reduce operational costs by modernizing your mainframes to Google Cloud with automation, industry expertise, risk-mitigated migration tools, and a rich partner ecosystem. By moving mainframe workloads to the cloud, organizations can eliminate the need for expensive hardware and maintenance, and can also take advantage of Google Cloud's pay-as-you-go pricing model, which can help to reduce upfront costs and optimize spending over time. Additionally, Google Cloud's automation and orchestration tools can help to streamline mainframe operations, reduce manual errors, and improve efficiency. This can lead to significant cost savings and increased efficiency for organizations, and can help them to better allocate their resources and focus on core business goals. Another benefit of mainframe modernization on Google Cloud is the ability to access and analyze data in real time, using tools like BigQuery and Cloud Data Fusion. These tools allow organizations to gain insights into their mainframe data faster and can help to support decision-making and optimize business processes. Google Cloud's data analytics and machine learning capabilities can also help organizations uncover hidden patterns and trends in their mainframe data, and can support predictive maintenance and other advanced use cases. How can companies still running on mainframe move data to the cloud without compromising essential business operations? Google Cloud introduced a possible answer at Google Cloud Next, introducing a component called Dual Run, a unique technology initially developed by Banco Santander, and later tuned by Google engineers in conjunction with the bank to optimize it for moving workloads to Google Cloud. Google Cloud's Dual Run service allows organizations to run their mainframe workloads in parallel on both the cloud and on-premises, providing a smooth transition and minimizing disruption. This allows organizations to test and validate the performance of their mainframe workloads in the cloud before fully committing to the migration, and can help to ensure a successful and seamless transition. Once satisfied with the functional performance equivalence of the two systems, the new Google Cloud environment can be made the customer's system of record. Dual Run also allows organizations to continue to use their existing mainframe tools and processes while taking advantage of the scalability and flexibility of the cloud. One potential pitfall of mainframe modernization on Google Cloud is the need for specialized skills and expertise to properly manage and optimize cloud-based mainframe environments. This can include skills related to cloud architecture, security, and mainframe operations, and may require organizations to invest in training and upskilling their IT teams. Additionally, mainframe modernization can be complex and time-consuming and may require significant planning and resources to successfully execute. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud news and see you in the next chapter of this adventure.